I'm up in back of our house, and there's more and more evidence of the cicadas still coming out of the ground and hatching. And perhaps you can hear the humming. There's some more right there. The humming in the trees above. Now, mind you, this is right in our backyard, and we're not really in a huge rural area. But the din is absolutely crazy, if you can hear this. I can see them flying around the tops of the trees. This is wild. I've never had an experience like this before. And this only happens once in every 17 years. Following a deer path up to the field, and it's actually getting louder the further I go. And the little husks are everywhere. And there's more and more coming out of the ground every night. This is the loudest that it has been in the last few days. And I can see them flying from branch to branch in the treetops. Just amazing.